Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to crochet puff lace. As you can see here, I've made one of them. So let's get started. So I'm going to chain 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I'm going to come over here, a last loop, and I'm going to make a loop here. Then going to chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, run over, and you're going to work in the center of this loop here, like that, to pull through one time, pull through second time, pull through third time. Okay, so pull through again one time, second time, and third time. So this is how it's going to look like. Then going to pull through all loops like that, and you're going to gently make a slip knot in those two so as we can get the space over here. So we're going to chain 3, 1, 2, 3, going to roll over our work, yarn over, and we're going to work in this loop we made, pull through one time, second time, and third time, yarn over again one time, second time, and third time, like so. Yarn over, pull through all the loops that way, yarn over gently, slowly, then chain 3, roll our work, yarn over in this loop here, pull through one time, second time, third time, again one time, second time, and third time. Roll our work, pull through, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, yarn over, you turn our work this way, insert a hook, pull through one time, yarn over one time, second time, third time, one time again, second time again, and third time. Pull through all the loops that way, gently, slowly, that way. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3. Roll over work other way around, yarn over in the same loop. Going to make one loop, second loop, and third loop. Again, first loop, second loop, and third loop. Pull through all our loops, a loop on top. Going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn our yarn and our work, come through this loop, follow the same sequence. First loop, second loop, third loop, first loop, second loop, and the third loop. Going to go through all our loops that way. Going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Then yarn over again to go in this loop here. As you can see, pull through one loop that way, second loop, third loop, then again one time, second time, and the third time. Go through all our loops, go through that way. Chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Turn on our yarn and our work. Insert a hook over there. First loop, second loop, third loop. Again, first loop, second loop, and third loop. Pull through that way. I'm going to chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. So as you can see, we have made our puff lace. So this is how it's going to look like at the end, as this one is a little bit bigger. So it's like we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and we have got the last 2 loops here, and here I have my just made a small one to show you how it looks like. So you can see I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we have these 2 loops remaining here, and I've made for you 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are no loops remaining. I've just joined this loop and this loop to make 2, 2, 2, and 2. So I hope you like my video. Till next time, see you then. If you like, please share and subscribe and comment. I will love to see your comments. Bye bye till next video.